Right, funny. At last I sit down. Oh. Funny for me to try to get a table. Unbelievable when I had to sell this for us once facing breakfast bed. I tried to get right to the back, but there was some bunch of teenagers that didn't want to get in there. Didn't want to get in there. Yeah. But it's alright now, I got it now. Because I was rejoining the train at Ford.
Right.
I mean, I would have just... But the Ford was such a short platform and you could fit for 6 carriages.
Yeah.
I mean, I could try screws off the top, but what are you going to do, isn't it? Yeah, I was there last time when I went to the Amberley Museum.
Yeah.
Pretty good, that place.
Yeah, it's a good little day out. Took my little one there.
How old is he then? How old is she?
She, nearly 6.
Oh, really? Good.
Yeah, she enjoyed it.
She's
big stuff.
She's school then, is she?
Yeah.
Oh. I went there once last year when I was with my friend Ben, when we went to the South Downs and like Railway.
Yeah.
At Provo was this year.
Right.
Well, I wanted to show you Ben different things. So
No.
this year for Ben, he had quite a 5-year trips with me. So
Right.
we went to the BBC Food Show in Birmingham this year as well.
Okay. Any good?
It was brilliant.
Yeah.
It was much better than 2019.
Right.
Bling and mess it was 2019. It was. when Ben joined, he got
chefs.
Yeah, we met Nyland, the TV chef.
Yeah.
Well, I was trying to spot James and Alan Titchmarsh.
Right.
We tried to spot James Marston, but he was not in that day.
I saw Alan Titchmarsh in London a couple of months ago.
Oh, really?
Walking around the back streets.
Yeah. I still watch Coronation Street though.
Yeah.
I wait until I get to the last one, and then I'll begin the whole week.
Yeah.
And also, Nationwide's been paying by my own account now for my BT taking my Lloyd's card out now.
Right.
So I won't have to pay by using. Won't have to pay by those weird internet because every time I try, I get a bit stressed and hard to concentrate.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't mind doing it, but I just find it difficult distraction, really.
Yeah. Anything for an easy life.
I know. So that's what's happening for now. I'm taking money out of my account now, so it's easy. It would normally have 2 toy-bound trains, but not today though, because they only got amended timetable, isn't it?
Yeah. I guess you went in the Gauge Master at Ford, did you?
What?
The Gauge Master shop.
Yeah.
Ford.
Yeah.
Did you go in there?
Yeah.
Expensive stuff, isn't it?
I know. I was going to try to see any cheaper options this year. There's any trains that have gone down a bit, but there was a few, but not much today, unfortunately.
Yeah.
But I was wanting to see how there's anything new. But it turns out if I get some train track and a controller to control the trains,
Yeah.
I might do that, but...
Well, you can spend thousands and thousands of pounds on that.
I know, it's quite...
That's a rich man's hobby.
I prefer waiting until I get my money in. I was just having a look at some stock business, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So where are you heading back to anyway?
Just Bognor.
Next station is it? Oh,
You?
heading back to Clapham.
Yeah.
Then Clapham down to Brookwood.
Right.
I would normally go via Havant and Woking in that direction, but I prefer this way. It's more quicker because it's got more open scenery. The kind of
nice little journey up through here.
Yeah. And sometimes in case my battery's going down, I can just wait until I get home. I just can wait until I get on board the Southwest tomorrow and charge a bit more juice up.
Got plugs on this one?
No, it hasn't really. They have on the front 4 carriages, but for me, I prefer to be right far back so I can get a bit more space. But I am still enjoying my train journeys. Because I go to the South Downs like Railway, which is over there.
Yeah.
Which I go to.
One at the
Gardens.
Yeah. The Christmas one was really good last year.
Was it?
Took the little one on there.
No. I might go there myself and I'll visit actually.
We've because obviously the night's draw, as long as you go after about 4:30.
Yeah.
I think we finish at 6, so if you get one of the last ones of the day in the dark and it's all lit up, it looks lovely.
Oh, well, I'll try arrange that.
Yeah.
Big experience because I've got work the next day.
Right.
Not that easy when you're working, isn't it?
Yeah. Enjoy the rest of your journey.
Thank you. Because the reason I'm at the back because I can hear the announcements for the short platforms.
Yeah.
Some trains don't have all.
No. Yeah, I think we're all right here. It used to sometimes it was only the front 7. They seem to open it all up now.
Yeah. I was supposed to go reach this film on YouTube, this one, but unfortunately didn't make it, so.
This is Pulborough. This train is the southern service to London Victoria, calling at Billingshurst, Christ's Hospital, Horsham, Crawley, Three Bridges, Gatwick Airport, East Croydon, Clapham Junction, and London Victoria. The next station is Billingshurst.
Don't be too crazy. Don't be too crazy. Bognor Regis. Mrs. Kinver.
Look. There's X. Try.
Let's see. Go, Cedric. Do. Cedra. Cedra, a dragon Pokemon.